Available for sale at Porsche Centre Hall is this 718 Boxster finished in GT Silver Metallic. With black high-gloss door handles, the sports tailpipes and tinted taillights, the iconic Porsche shape is really highlighted. The wheels are 20-inch Carrera S wheels painted in black high gloss. Inside the vehicle we have the black leather package with partial leather seats. This vehicle is designed for user comfort with heated 14-way fully electric sports seats with the memory package, 2-zone automatic climate control and a BOSE Surround Sound System. To enhance the driving experience further, this model has cruise control and front and rear park assist, which creates a 360-degree view of your vehicle's surrounding using the 12 ultrasonic sensors and 4 cameras. If you are interested in this vehicle, please contact our centre today.